Good morning, day 40 of 75 Hard. That's super exciting. I had something happen to me last night, this morning, that a little shocking, a little astounding. Still can't really believe it. When my alarm went off, because yes, I still have an alarm that wakes me up at 4 in the morning, because my body doesn't naturally get up at 4 in the morning. So when my alarm went off this morning, I realized I slept completely through the night without waking up. Dun, dun, dun. I don't remember the last time that's happened. Like, for real, I have no idea when the last time I went to sleep and I woke up at the time I was wanting to wake up, and I didn't wake up anytime in between that. That's pretty awesome. So I already know it's going to be a great day, but here's a couple of tips for good quality sleeping, because if your sleep is shit, you're doing yourself a disservice. Like, a lot of things are suffering because of your lack of sleep or your lack of quality sleep. So number one, dark room. Your room's got to be dark. Like, try to get all the lights out, the little lights everywhere, like cover them up, whatever. No light in the room. Cool. You need the temp to be cool, not cold. You don't need to be freezing your ass off. It needs to be cool. And it needs to be quiet. Now, I sleep with my toddler and my wife, of course, and there is a sound machine in our room, which initially I hated, and I still kind of do, because I hate going to sleep when there's noise. But I'm pretty sure the white noise in the background has been helping me get better sleep, because it shushes out all the other noise. I don't know. I'm still on the fence about it, but I'm pretty sure it's helping me. There you go. Do those 3 things. See if it improves your sleep. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later. All right, folks, day 40 is a wrap. All the things are done, tasks are done. They've been done, again, for hours. When the day goes the way that I want it to go and the plan is executed, it really is relatively easy. I'm not going to say it's easy. I should say it's simple. It's simple. It's not easy. It's simple. The other thing, too, like, I've never documented anything, like, consistently day after day like this. And I need a haircut again. It's going to be my second 75 Hard haircut. And if you didn't know, a little fun fact, my wife is a hairdresser. Guess who cuts my hair? Not my wife. Not a chance. I'm not worth her time, because she does such high-end luxurious hair, and this does not fall in that category. There you have it. Y'all make good choices. I'll see you tomorrow.